Hey friends, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video I'm going to share a couple of jobs with you that I wish you should know, and yeah, let's jump into the video, friends. Yeah friends, as soon as you open your Google Chrome, search for my website, which is Booble360. I have shared more than 500 plus jobs in the website, so you can take a look and apply for them. So in this video we would be discussing more about these jobs from IBM to KOCH, and in my previous videos I have discussed about these jobs like Nokia is hiring for SD, Intel is hiring for intern, ACO is hiring for SDET, Shell is hiring for Shell graduate programming, BCG is hiring for research associate. All these jobs I have verified myself, friends, so it's a great resource for you if you are looking for a job. So let's talk about each job, and we will talk more about Sprinklr job at last. And initially IBM company is hiring for freshers for associate systems engineer role. They did not mention any specific skill they need, but if you have some knowledge on IT it would be great. Even if not, they will train you on that part. But if you have some knowledge on one programming language, one SQL, that would be a great asset for you to joining this company. So basically IBM is a product and service based company, I would say. So these are some things like you should have some knowledge on enterprise issues and related to IT architecture, ability to drive an independent project from an architectural standpoint. So these are some things they are requiring, but no need. They will train you, just show your enthusiasm and skills. If you want to apply, just click on apply for job and click on careers.ibm. Just open this like this, and then this is the job. You can apply from here. And HP is hiring for procurement operations analyst role. They are looking for graduates. It is not like you only need engineering or you only need a degree. This is open for all the graduates who have completed that graduation. So you should be having 0 to 2 years of experience in procurement or supply chain. If you are a fresher, it's no big deal, they will train you on that part. You should have some knowledge on basic understanding of procurement process. Procurement is nothing but buying some softwares or assets to the company, that's it. But you can learn more in the Google, I would say. Basic business applications like web based or SAP based. So basically what I recommend is just you should have some sounding knowledge on your academics, and if you have some knowledge on MS Office, that would be great, and remaining they will train you on that part. For freshers, for experience, it would be great if you have this. And if you want to apply, just click on apply for job. Just open this link and it will push you to the company website. And Continuum is hiring for a QA trainee role in Gurgaon. So these people are also looking to hire freshers who have some knowledge on mobile testing, website testing and QA process principle and techniques, good understanding of manual testing, and exposure to digital marketing testing tools like Litmus, Total Validator will be an added advantage, and ability to work independently and as a team. So basically if you have some knowledge on QA, that would be great. Even if not, that's okay, that's completely fine. If you have good academics, just make sure you have some good academic scores, that's it. Remaining part they will train you on that part, but just learn some basic testing techniques to crack the interview. This is what I recommend. This is as of now to give an interview, it is a no code job. Even any engineering folk, ECE, CSE, anyone can give an interview, and BSc folks also gave an interview in this company, friends. So this is for everyone, I would say. You can click on apply for job if you want to apply. Let me click on apply for job. We will get this link, just open this. It will push you to the company's website and it will land you in the job page. It will be helpful for you, friends. And Conferry is hiring for software engineering intern in India location. So they are looking for people who have completed computer science engineering in computer engineering or machine learning or MIS students, and who would be who are willing to take their degree in 2024. Basically, if you are third year of engineering, it would be great, and it would be helpful for MTech folks also. MTech first year folks can also give a try in this company. And for BSc folks, just give a try. I'm not sure if they will consider or not, but just give a try. This is what I recommend from my end, if you have knowledge on machine learning techniques. And if you want to apply, just click on apply for job. Here is the link. You just click on this link, it will land you in the job page. So from there on you can apply. And Clearfield is hiring for software engineer intern Java in Bangalore location. Basically these people are looking for person who is having some sounding knowledge on Java. Even if it's basic, no need to worry, you can still give a try. And willingness to learn new frameworks and language when required. This is, you should showcase the interest. If there is a need, you will learn. And just Java with OOP concepts is enough for this role, friends. Just you can click on apply for job. If you want to apply, just click on apply for job and then click on this link. It will land you in the appropriate page. And another job is in Sprinklr. I will discuss about this later. And KOCH is hiring for junior engineer role in Bangalore. So basically this job is for mechanical engineering folks and other technical as well. That means it is for civil folks, and EEE folks also can give a try in this company. This is what I will say. And next experience is something 0 to 2 years of experience in product development field. Experience in 3D modeling and 2D drafting using UGNX would be an added advantage. It is just an added advantage, it is not the preferred one. Okay, so they will train you on that part. If you know, that's better. If not, no need to worry. Just maintain, if you have some good academics like 75% or 60+%, that would be great. And basically mechanical and electrical folks, just give a try here. Just click on apply for job and then click on this link. It will land you in the job page. From there on you can apply. I think it's a great opportunity for core mechanical folks. And the last job is Sprinklr is hiring for associate operations engineer role in Bangalore. So Sprinklr is basically one of the super product based company. It's a CX company, customer exchange management, experience management company. I have given interview, it's good. And these people are looking for someone with who is having some good Linux system administration skills, 0 to 2 years of exposure or knowledge of on-premise data centers or AWS, Azure or GCP. So if you are a fresher, you don't need to have these things, but if you are experienced, having some knowledge on AWS, Azure, GCP or on-premise cloud would be helpful for you. And experience on IT monitoring tools like IT, Sensu, Prometheus, Grafana. Responsible for IT infra, application alerts and high availability on production. Identify automation opportunities in monitoring and contribute to reducing noise in monitoring. So these are some skills. If you have knowledge on Git, Jenkins, Kubernetes, it would be helpful for seniors or experienced folks. If you are a fresher, no need. Just make sure you have knowledge on Linux, one programming language, and the networking concepts plays important role for this role. And if you have these things, then the job is yours. I mean, you should have at least basic knowledge. You should tell with the confidence. That's it. If you want to apply, just click on apply for job. Just open this. So for every other job, it will be the same. Just when you click on this link, it will land you in the company's website only. So this job is posted like 3 days ago. So these are the things that we have discussed earlier. If you want to apply, just click on apply here and apply manually. So basically what happens is, if you want to apply, you need to create a new account if you are applying for the first time. If you have applied earlier in the past, you can enter your email address and password, then click on sign in. And make sure you keep your resume in handy, friends, while applying for the job. And let's talk about the salary part for this job. Sprinklr Glassdoor. I just open it. I'm gonna click on salaries. So basically the salaries are also pretty good in this company. we are talking about associate roles. Let me search here directly, operations engineer. Yeah, let me see if they have any. Yeah, for operations engineer the salary is, for senior operations engineer, 9 lakh to 10 lakh, for operations engineer 13 lakh to 29 lakh. So basically you can consider like around 10 LPA is what this company will pay for this role, friends. So absolutely I would say for Sprinklr it's a great salary. Like where is the job? So for this one, 10 LPA is almost a better salary to start your career in Sprinklr company, friends. And I think that's it for this video, friends. I'm posting the jobs daily in the Telegram channel as well. There is a link in the description. I recommend you to take a look and join in the channel. And in my upcoming video I would be sharing more relevant information. Until then, keep watching my videos and do not forget to subscribe my channel for more future videos. Thank you and have a great day.